In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect ManyChat to Facebook ads. So the first thing you may want to do is of course open up your ManyChat app and sign in with Facebook. And during the setup, choose which Facebook pages ManyChat can access so you can allow all access to all current and future pages or just select specific pages you want to connect. And once done, press continue. The same with here, choose the businesses you want to connect or ManyChat have an access into, then press continue. And of course, give access to ManyChat's request, then press save. And now, once inside, we're just going to connect a new channel. So click on this button and select Facebook. And from your list of pages, select the page you would like to connect. So here, answer the set of questions carefully to avoid having to make extra changes later. You can also connect platforms like Messenger or Instagram if needed. And once done, you can now open up your automation flow and add a trigger for Facebook ads. So for the trigger, we're just gonna select user clicks a Facebook ad. This step allows ManyChat to automatically send messages to people when they click on your ads. And after that, open up Meta Ads Manager and create a campaign. So here you can just click on the create button and of course select engagement, then continue. And we're going to opt for manual engagement campaign. And here in the chat builder section, we're going to create template and use an automated chat, then proceed to next, then switch to advanced tab, and here toggle on connect an app, and of course it's ManyChat. Once done, click on save. And lastly, review your ad settings, confirm that everything is set up correctly, and publish your ad. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.